Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Libras. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading for y'all right after this gentle energy. So that may clear your doubts or answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, guys. So you can stay tuned for that, Libras. So let's start with these cards. For your general energies, guys, we have Master of Moons, Three of Sun, and Moon. So with these cards, guys, in your circumstances, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship. So you are someone talented and skilled, and you have faith and confidence in your skills, and you are determined in your circumstances. Maybe you have certain goals for yourself, whatever you need to achieve, and you are someone working towards those goals and ambitions. And you are a kind and compassionate person, Libras. Honest. You have honest intentions, and you are someone with strong determination. So, whatever you have decided for yourself, guys, you stand by that. And that may be the reason you are quite successful or where you are today. And your courage and knowledge is helping you today, is helping you in your life, is increasing your achievements, increasing your talents, and maybe you're involved in some kind of a business or even in your work situation. You are making strong choices or courageous, bold choices for yourself, and you handle your situation differently, and that may be the reason you may see a new beginning in your life, guys. Maybe in your work some new opportunities may be reaching you today, and you have great dreams and goals for yourself, guys. So maybe in your relationship, guys, Libras, you have a lot of expectations, dreams about this person you like to be with. So you feel subconsciously attracted, or you are avoiding people who are not matching up to your the qualities you have dreamt about. So maybe you may have some kind of an intuition or inspiration overwhelming you, guiding you in this relationship, maybe to find this person, the dream person for you, guys. And Libras, you need to understand that not always you may not be right always, guys. Maybe your dreams and expectations are yours, and maybe that person may not know what you expect of them, and they will be honest to their intentions, whatever is there in their heart. So you cannot match your expectations with the person in reality, guys. So you need to understand that. So if you want to find that balance in your situation, you have to be really careful, consider your situation from their point of view if you want a positive relationship with this person, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is 5 of Spears in reverse. So with this card, maybe this may be what this person feels about you or what you feel about them. There may be some difficulties you are seeing in this relationship. Maybe your obsession or their obsession over some dream qualities. That may be the reason for some troubles, guys. Maybe this image you have about the person you should be in relationship with. So your obsessive thinking, that may be the reason, or that for some troubles, misunderstandings in this love, guys, Libras. So for your career situation, Libras, it's 7 of Stars. So with this card, guys, in your work situation, there may be some hopes and plans you are making today, and you are moving towards some dream aspirations you have for yourself, guys. But if you want to achieve all that, you must have clarity, a clear head, and you should not listen to some gossips or some rumors in your work situation. You must have clarity if you want success in your career situation, guys, Libras. So that is the reading with these cards, Libras, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libra. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, this is your first card, guys, and it is I surge on the uprising wave of love. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, you are trying to change certain things or you are wishing for things to be different today. But whatever you do, whatever you are doing, maybe the efforts, whatever it is, guys, your personal will and efforts are not going to make any changes today, because you are in a karmic cycle. So whatever is destined to happen in your life is what is unfolding today. So you are trying to limit your experiences or your circumstances through your range of vision. But what is happening is something beyond our control and beyond our comprehension. So destiny is unfolding in your life and you need to understand that, guys. And maybe you are moving towards a life change, an accelerated life change. You will be caught up in a wave and you will be taken much farther and faster than expected. And you will feel pushed towards some changes that are unfolding on its own without you liking or disliking those changes. But you need to understand that it is for your best and it is your divine destiny that is unfolding, and it is going to create a very great change in your life, something unexpected. So, destiny is working in your life today, guys. You need to understand. And this destiny has been waiting for you. This divine destiny has been uh, waiting to unfold in your life, guys, and it is something good, something positive. So, that is what I see with this card, guys. So, your circumstances may seem out of control, and that may be your destiny today, guys. And it is pushing you towards something, and you need to understand that, and you need to embrace that change, whatever is coming in your life, guys. So, that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So, for those who chose this second card, we have mending. So, with this card, it just means that you are moving towards a healing energy in this relationship, in your life. Forgiveness, healing from arguments or some misunderstandings, whatever it is. So, forgiveness is necessary if we want to move forward in our life, guys. Separate or together, you both are experiencing feelings of hurt. The effects of hurt are impacting your life. You are hurt, and maybe this person is also hurt. So, this energy needs to be cleared if you want to bridge that gap, to find that harmony in your relationship. So, closing your heart is not the answer, guys. You have the power to heal this wound. So, whatever needs to be done, you should do it. So, you need to ask yourself, what will love do to you and to that other person? And if you forgive, only goodness will come out of it, because we forgive the other person only when you have that love and we want to change, and that is a honest thing to do. If you truly love this person, you need to make amends, guys. Maybe say sorry to them if you have wronged them, or if they have wronged you, they need to tell you sorry and make amends. Work towards that harmonious, balanced relationship, and this is the right time for that, guys. So, that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.